Hello and welcome to today's free trading video, Market Analysis. I'm Kenny, your host, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. Looking at kind of a quiet day today in the market. We're looking first here at the chart of the Mini Russell Futures contract. These are our proprietary indicators that you're looking at. Green being bullish, red meaning sell or bearish. Obviously, had a nice little bearish day yesterday in the market. A Thursday was the day. Today's Friday. Uh, red. What happens? You get a market that goes from around 720 to about 700, so a nice 20-point move. In the market lower, we did participate nicely on the short side yesterday. We'll look at that in a second, but today's kind of a quiet day. Gapped higher, just a neutral day. You do see some pretty strong bullishness here, and arguable bullishness here. At least you do see some green, and there is a divergence, and that's why we're getting kind of a hold in the market on the intraday. Market's up about 5 points. This being the again the mini Russell, but where does the market stand? It's kind of neutral. This is pretty flat. This is bullish, but weakening a little bit. Not so much there, a little bit bearish, so definitely a neutral bias in the market today. You definitely want to keep it close to the vest if you're trading. Market's 710, bounced off 700, very round number, so we just essentially went from 725 to 700, and now we're right in the middle of that, as a lot of the summer Fridays can be. So there you have the intraday look at the market. We'll go ahead and switch over to the daily perspective. Take a look at what's going on over there. And there you go. S&P 500 cash market, we do stand still 20% bullish on the market, short-term bullish, but from a price technical perspective, we did get that nice ET sell signal, low level in nature, which we do like to see. But not particularly this low. We've come about 150 points off in the S&P, so obviously we're going to get probably about 6 weeks of basing. One would argue probably going to hold around here, chop around here, but definitely we do remain bearish officially on the market, looking to add sell exposure. We did expect to move up until up into this measure of trend falling support resistance and the blue line around 1304.70. That did converge with the 50% retracement level of the latest down move right there. So we did expect to move to around 1305. The market actually did peter out at around 1291, which did actually happen to be just the 38 retracement mark from the entire move that we've seen from high to low. So we did peter out at 38% move. Traders just a little shaky, wanting to take some profits early on this nice little bounce. We did mention that the short side, you're obviously scaling out of your positions as we move lower, and we did reverse actually to the short-term bullish around 1260. So we got a nice little pop fall through. Traders just wanting to quickly take the opportunity to get out that may have been holding long and sold early. So we'll probably get a move back into this area around 1300. One would argue. So we are short-term bullish in terms of momentum, and intermediate term, we'll call it neutral to bearish. It does say bearish, but we'll call it neutral to bearish. Again, we did mention taking our profits around here once we had this crossover. So in terms of directional movement, just a almost a full neutral picture. Again, this will be neutral to bearish at best. And so that's where you have it. Price technical perspective, we are bearish below the low, which is 1276.06. We're currently at 1256, about 20 points below that in the S&P cash market. We are officially bearish on the market, as we have been since around 1376, so that's about 120 points. And discretionary bearish from a market timing perspective on the market. So that's where we stand. Just a little choppy, could go either way, but obviously this has been the move of all moves. Where do we stand? Let's see. There's the Day Trader 8.0. Take a look at a few systems real quick. Beautiful. Just caught that beautifully yesterday. Trading the Dow 11,500 down to 11,350. Nice 150-point move. ES Day Trader 1.0 catches a lot more of the move. Catches it in the ES. Goes short at 1280. Covers around 1260. So a nice 20-point move. Got spanked a little bit today on the market. A little quick stop out. These are some puts we bought yesterday. Very nice. Bought them at around 5, sold them at close to 9. So from a gain of about 75%, we'll call it. So for our OEX Day Trader 1.0. Swing System 5.0, trading the Dow in some beautiful winners. Nice long setup on 716, 11,000. Rides it all the way up to 11,400. Jumps, these two probably cancel out, but right back around 11,500 in the short side. So we've got another couple hundred points, we'll call it 150 points in short profits in our Swing System 5.0. The grinding out some short profits yesterday, 1270 we'll call it, down to around 1255. So a nice 15-point move. Again, getting spanked a little bit in this neutral environment we do have today. Day Trader 5.0 continued just to post nice winners. Look at that beautiful long setup and catching almost the whole of the move on the YM contract yesterday. So we did put up some very handsome numbers yesterday, which we'll look at in a second. Day Trader 6.0 again catching the move. We'll go ahead and look at, let's see. This was rather frustrating. Beautiful winners there. Just got stopped out less than a point off the high. So 4 went. A lot of the profit in our Russell Day Trader 1.0. So that was unfortunate. Dow Day Trader 1.0 also catching quite a bit of the move yesterday. 11,550 short down to 11,400, 150 points. We'll call it. So that's a look at a few of our systems. As far as the portfolios go themselves, very nice gains we had yesterday. Swinger DT gains $10,815. That's our venerable Swinger DT. Once this portfolio gets going, it can really put up the impressive numbers. Very aggressive portfolio it is, trading the futures markets, but it continues to post overall, over time, some of the best returns that we have. So the Swinger DT gains 36%. It did lead the day yesterday in terms of returns. Here's the MapDT version 2.0, gains another whopping $6,190 Thursday. That leads to a 3-day gain of, and we'll just take 1 second to pause that. So it led to a very nice 3-day gain of 51%. We can actually look at that right here. Nice 51% gain. That is leading the pack as far as our futures portfolios. Forex suffering a little bit over the last few days, down 13%, but the futures portfolios more than picking up the slack with a gain of 51% for our MAP DT version 2.0, $6,190 on a $20,000 account. This was Thursday on the heels of Tuesday's huge gains. MAP Black gains another $26,000 for a 3-day return of 41% for the MAP Black, one of our most diversified portfolios. There's a screenshot. Our dual day trader DS actually made $1,600 on a $5,000 account. Very impressive was the day for the dual day trader 1.0, or sorry, DS. And there's some other portfolios. The Delta DTS, Delta DT gains $8,000. Delta Black and Delta 20, $12,000 and $13,000 respectively. So there you have the last few numbers over the last few days. Matt Black gaining $41,000. Swinger DT up $7,000, 23%. It actually lost money, I think, on Tuesday. Delta 20 putting up 30%, 35% for the Delta 5, 35% for the Delta DT, but leading the pack 36% for the dual day trader DS over the last 3 days. But the real standout's been the MAP DT version 2.0 with a gain of 51%. So, if you guys are interested in trading the MAP DT version 2.0 or any of these portfolios, certainly go to the website, chat with the support team, click here to chat with us, or shoot us an email to admin@MiniAnalyst.com. But we've also got a little special for you. Go to the current promotions, MapDT version 2.0. Actually, that should read version 2.0. So it doesn't, so we'll just go to the Platinum Day Traders. We'll probably fix that for you. Go all the way to the bottom, MapDT version 2.0. Go ahead and add that to cart, enter promo code VIDEO. And looks like there's already the savings taken off. So you can save $300 on the MAP DT version 2.0. We'll just go ahead and remove that from the cart. Get that for $1,200. The MAP DT version 2.0, get that for $1,200, and the returns of $10,000 in three days capable. The choice is clear, so I hope you guys are having a great trading week, and we'll see you next time.